Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Notion Rollups versus Relations. We'll dive deep into these two powerful Notion features, helping you understand their core functionalities and how they work together. By the end, you'll be able to confidently decide which one to use in various scenarios, enhancing your database management skills. We'll explore practical examples and best practices to ensure you get the most out of your Notion workspace, making your data more interconnected and insightful. Notion relations are the foundational element for connecting your databases. Think of them as bridges that allow pages in one database to reference pages in another. This creates a powerful web of interconnected information, enabling you to build complex systems. For instance, you could have a database of clients and another for projects, using a relation to link each project to its respective client. This ensures data consistency and easy navigation across your workspace. Rollups take the connections established by relations and bring data from the related database into your current view. They are incredibly useful for summarizing information. Imagine you have a project database linked to a tasks database. A rollup could show you the total number of tasks for each project, or even the average completion time. Rollups are always built on top of a relation, acting as a window into the linked database's properties, providing valuable insights at a glance. The question isn't really which is better, but rather how they work together. Relations are about creating the links, while rollups are about leveraging those links to display and aggregate data. You need a relation first to even use a rollup. For example, you might use a relation to link a book to its author, and then a rollup to show how many books that author has written. They are two sides of the same coin, each essential for building robust and dynamic Notion systems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.